Good morning, students. Today we will study circle, page number 198. So, what is circle? A circle is a perfectly rounded shape. Okay, a figure is given below, and also you should know what is circle. Circle is a special form of ellipse. It is a special type of ellipse. Okay, and in general, you just know a circle is a perfectly round shape. Okay, so it is perfectly round shape. Okay, you can see these are the examples: buttons, compact disc. Okay, so these are the examples of circle. Okay, a circle has no side and no corners. A circle which have the no any side and corners. Okay, a circle, you can see there is any side, no any corners, there will be no any corners. Okay, now the midpoint of the circle means this is the midpoint of the circle, which is called the center. The point where the stack is called the center of the circle. Point O is the here you can see. Yeah, here you can see this is the center of this circle. Okay, and you should know from the point where stack is called the center of the circle, means the from this center or anywhere of from any side you can go to the boundary of the circle. You will have the same distance from here to here, or here to here you will come, you will have the same distance. It is the equidistance from everywhere. Okay, so this is the middle one, this is the center, and from here the from here either you go this side or this side, they all have the their, it's the distance is equal, same distance. Okay, now next we have the radius. What is the radius? The distance from the stake to each of these stone or point is called the radius. This is the radius. Okay, this is the radius, means from the this center to the boundary of the circle, the distance from the center to the boundary of the circle. So this is the radius. Okay, and this radi is the plural form of the radius. Okay, so more than one radius, so we can say the radi. And also you should know in a circle there, how many, if it is asked that how many radius can be possible in a circle, so your answer will be infinite. You have to say infinite, because you cannot count how many radius of we can draw in the circle. So it is a infinite. As well as diameter. What is diameter? It is nothing but 2 times of the radius. From here to here it is a radius, and same if you extend to the another side of the boundary, to from this side to this side, means opposite side, and it should be crossing from through the center. If you start from here and this should cross through the center, means always it should have to cross the center. So this is the, it is called the diameter. And how many diameters can be drawn in a circle? It is again infinite, any number of time. Okay, so you cannot count it. Okay, and what is the code is that it is not necessary it should cross the center, but only, it's a definition, it should touch the two sides or the of the boundary of the circle. Any 2 point on the circle it should be touched either, and also it should go, if it is passing from the center, this is also code. So one more question, if that the longest chord of a circle is called diameter. So okay, the longest chord of a circle is called diameter. This is the longest chord. The definition of chord is very simple: a line segment like AB, you just name like AB, with both and point on the circle. It should have the both and point on the circle. Okay, but in the case of chord it is not required that it should pass through the center, but in the case of diameter it should have to pass through the center. Okay, so what is the chord is the a line segment which both and point on the circle. Okay, so which is, that is the chord. Okay, now diameter is the longest chord of a circle, as I have told you. Now next we move to the, here you can see. Okay, so as you can see, this is your chord, this is your diameter, and the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Okay, now the line segment is obtained is known as diameter of the circle. Now you see here, this is the center, this is the diameter, this is the radius, and you can say this is the chord, or this radius, this diameter is also a chord. Okay, now we will do the exercise. And also you should know, if the radius, suppose this is the circle and its a radius is suppose 2 centimeter, so it is as if you have to say that what is the diameter, so you can say 2 times of the radius, so you can multiply 2 into 2, so your radius will be 4 centimeter. Suppose if in a circle whose radius is 5 centimeter, so what will be the diameter? Diameter will be 5 into 2, is 2 times of the radius. Okay, if diameter is given, suppose diameter is given 10 centimeter, so what will be the radius? So you simply you can divide 2, because it is a 2 part. Okay, so you can divide this 10 by 2, so what will be the value of radius? So it will be 5. Okay, now diameter equals to 2 into radius. Okay, or radius equals to diameter by 2. Now some interior and exterior of a circle. So interior and exterior of a circle means which is inside the circle is called interior, which is outside of the circle is called exterior. Okay, so how to draw the circle, any circle? So first of all you should have the compass. You know this compass. In compass, one there is a metal tip, there is a compass needle, and one side you have there is a pencil holder. So now you have to place your tip like this. You have to place this needle, metal tip of your compass, you have to place it here okay, so that will be, this will be your center. Okay, this is the center of the circle, and whatever the diameter you have to take, sorry, whatever the radius you have to take, so this length from here to here, this length should be like suppose 4 centimeter. So in your scale, suppose this metal in the scale, this is the metal tip, you put it here on the 0 and stretch this compass to near to the 4. Okay, so now your this the radius of your compass now became 4. Now wherever you have to draw, put this metal tip over there. Okay, and then after holding on here, you have to just you have to round like this. Okay, you have to move, you have to rotate like this, that your this will be drawn like a circle. Okay, so this is the way to draw. Now let's do the exercise 12c. Question number 1, in the figure on the right, O is the center of circle. So here you have to find out. So first of question, which of the line segment are ready? So you have to write down the radius. Okay, which are the radius? Like OA, you can write this OA, OC, okay, OZ, OB. Okay, so these are the radius. Okay, so likewise you have to write name like this OA. Okay, you can write OA, then after you can write like OB, OC, OZ. Okay, next, which of the line segment are chord you have to write down. So like this is the diameter, so this is the also chord AB, and what is the definition? It should have the 2 point which is touching on the edge of the circle. Okay, side of the circle that should touch, so that is the A and B. First chord is your AB. Next you can say CD also, this one also, because it has the 2 end point on the circle, so you can say CD is your chord. Okay, which of the line segment is a diameter? The diameter means exactly it should touch the 2 points of the it should have the 2 point on the circle, and it should pass through the center, so only AB is your the diameter. Got it? Okay, now question number 2, A, B, C, D are 4 points on the circle. How many chords can be drawn using only these points as a end of the chord? So how many chords it is possible to draw? So that it is asking that. So how many chord is possible? So just try it. So first chord it can be, okay, second also, okay, third, fourth, okay. Now this one also fifth. Now this is also possible. Okay, so now how many code it is possible? Total 6. Okay, so you can write the name like OA. Okay, you can write down the name of this also. Sorry, not OA, so AB. Okay, AC, then after you can write the name AD, then then after BC and BD and CD. Okay, so these are the codes. You can write the name of these codes. Okay, these names you can write. Now number 3, given that two circles are equal and they are really equal, are their diameters equal? So you have to, it is asking that it is equal or not. So what will be the answer? Yes, because if the two circles they have the equal radius, so it means the diameter will be also equal. Means it is a circle if it is a 4 centimeter, and another one also it is a 4 centimeter. So diameter means what? You will have to extend it here. You have to extend it here. So this 4 is here. So same distance is from here to here also 4. So diameter will be 8. And here is in the another circle also the same thing will be happen. So 8 8. So both have the same diameter. Now number 4, in the figure on the right, which of the points are in the interior of the circle? So which are the point which is interior? So you can say P, B, C are the interior. Okay. Number B, exterior of the circle. Exterior means M, you can say. Okay. So like M, N, okay, this N and T. These are the exteriors. Now on the circle, exactly on the boundary of the circle, so Q, A, this one also, okay, and this R also. So these are the on the exactly on the boundary of the circle. Now next we have use your compass to draw the circle. So you have to draw the circle. So like 5 centimeter. So how you will draw? Simply you have to take the radius from the metal tip to the uh, pencil holders, means the size of the compass. The you have to take the 5 centimeter. Then after from it you have to draw like this circle. So likewise you have to draw. Now number 6, you can see what is the radius of each of the circle whose diameter. Diameter is given. So first of all you have to write like this. Diameter is given. So 8 centimeter is diameter given. Means you have to given diameter equals to 8 centimeter. So now radius will be diameter divided by 2. It means 8 divided by 2. So that which will be 4 centimeter. Means now you have to take the your compass radius size 4 centimeter. Then after from here you have to draw. Okay, and it will be the 4 centimeter. So now number 7, similarly you have to do like this for all. What is the diameter of each of the circle whose radius is given? So radius is given 2 centimeter. So what will be the radius? What will be the diameter? So 2 times of it you can do. So we know that this radius is given 2 centimeter. So what will be the diameter? Diameter equals to 2 into radius. 2 into radius means 2. What is the value of r? 2. So 2 into 2 4. 6 into 2 12. Okay, so you have to write the formula and put the value and you can get the answer. Okay, so likewise you can solve this exercise.